Hello friends, myself Dr. Rupal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company, and today we're going to discuss what is value stream mapping. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of competition requires optimizing efficiency and productivity. One methodology gaining traction across industries is value stream mapping, or VSM. Let's explore what value stream mapping is and how it can revolutionize your processes. Value stream mapping is a powerful visualization tool used to analyze and improve the flow of materials, information, and resources throughout the entire production process, from inception to delivery. It also provides a holistic view enabling organizations to identify bottlenecks, eliminate waste, and streamline operations for maximum efficiency. To effectively utilize value stream mapping, it is crucial to understand the key metrics for optimizing processes and driving continuous improvement. Let's explore each of these metrics and their significance in enhancing operational efficiency. Number 1, lead time, the total time taken from the initiation of a process to its completion, indicating the overall efficiency of the workflow. Number 2, cycle time, the time required to complete one cycle of a specific task or process, offering insights into the pace of production. Number 3, tag time, the rate at which products must be produced to meet customer demands, ensuring alignment with market requirements. Number 4, process time, the duration spent on value-added activities within a process, helping to identify areas for optimization and waste reduction. Number 5, waiting time, the time spent waiting for resources or activities to be available, highlighting inefficiencies and potential bottlenecks. Number 6, work in progress, the number of tasks or items currently in progress within the workflow, influencing resource allocation and production planning. Number 7, value-added ratio, the proportion of time spent on activities that directly contribute to the product or service's value, aiding in the identification of non-value-added tasks. Number 8, first time through rate, that is FTT rate, the percentage of tasks completed correctly in the first attempt, indicating process reliability and quality. Number 9, rework percentage, the proportion of tasks requiring rework or correction, reflecting the effectiveness of initial processes and the quality control measures. Number 10, setup time, the time required to prepare an equipment, material, or resource for a specific task or a process, influencing overall productivity. Number 11, changeover time, the time taken for transition from one task or process to another, impacting production flexibility and responsiveness. Number 12, utilization rate, the percentage of available resources actually utilized in the production, guiding resource allocation and capacity planning efforts. Number 13, efficiency rate, the ratio of actual output to theoretical maximum output, measuring operational effectiveness and performance. Number 14, the yield, percentage of products or services meeting quality standards during production, indicating the process reliability and effectiveness. Number 15, on-time delivery, the percentage of orders or deliveries completed within the agreed time frame, reflecting customer satisfaction and operational reliability. Number 16, customer lead time, the time taken to fulfill customers' orders or requests, directly influencing customer satisfaction or loyalty. Number 17, inventory turns, the number of times inventory is sold or replenished within the specific period, guiding inventory management and supply chain optimization efforts. By leveraging these key metrics in value stream mapping, organizations can gain valuable insights into their processes, identify areas for improvement, and drive sustainable growth and competitiveness in today's dynamic business landscape. So have you created your value stream? Do reach out to us if you are looking out to create value stream mapping for your organization. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Thank you and keep watching.